Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Look at this dude. You can see. Okay, from here. Say hi. Say hi. Good morning. Good morning. Anyways, tonight actually we are gonna be grilling outside, and I'm gonna be prepping some stuff that I'm gonna show you. But before that, what did I drop? But before that, I'm gonna put him to sleep because it's his sleeping time right now. He's already drank his milk and now he's ready to sleep and he's yawning. Yes, look at him, he's grown so big and tall. He wears like, can you open your legs? Yes. Can you straighten your legs? He wears like 6 months clothing right now, so he's growing really good. I'm gonna put him to sleep and start prepping some stuff which I'm gonna show you. So I have pork defrosting over here that I'm gonna make cutlets out of them, and I have chicken wings and ground lamb that I'm gonna make seekh kebab in the grill outside, and then we also have a lot of veggies. So yeah, I'm letting it defrost. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go and quickly put away my laundry that I did yesterday. So I'm quickly gonna go. They are all dried. Now that baby's sleeping, I'm gonna quickly finish all my work. The swishing sound that you hear is basically the baby shusher, which is life-saving. Yes? So I was saying that baby shusher is life-saving if you have a baby, a newborn baby. Like, you can use it up to a year, I guess, or even when you're traveling in flight. Portable, very efficient. I'm gonna prep the lamb. So let's do that. I'm gonna show you what I do. A rainbow veggie wrap for lunch. So I have the wraps here, and I have carrot, cucumber, onion, yellow pepper. I'm gonna use feta cheese, hummus, and lettuce. So let's assemble it up. Lunch is done, and I'm gonna serve it with this parm crisps. This is so good. I got it from Costco. It's an everything flavor. So I've already prepped the mixture for lamb. You guys saw. It smells so good. Marvel is sitting in the kitchen because of that. And then I also prepped the chicken wings. I only had to cut it, and before cooking it, I'm just gonna season it with oil plus salt and black pepper, and then dip in the sauces. And my pork is still defrosting, so taking a break, quickly made our lunch, and we're gonna eat lunch and then get back to work again. And as soon as we sat down to eat, he woke up. There he is. He just woke up. He came down for lunch and he woke up. So this always happens. Alrighty, I've given him a bath. He was sleeping, then he woke up because there was a snake incident, which I'm going to tell you about in some time. And I guess I even have a small video clip that I'm going to put it here so you guys can see which snake. We don't know whether it was a poisonous snake or not, but we managed to wrap it in a dustbin bag and put it in our trash because we have no idea where else to put it. And then we also finished marinating all the stuff. Hold on. I was saying we also finished marinating everything. So we did paneer tikka with onion and peppers and all that stuff, and then we are gonna do roasted potatoes, we're gonna do corn, and I'm gonna do pork cutlet and chicken wings and lamb seekh kebab. I actually forgot to show you guys when I was putting it in the seekh, but let me show you right now. Alright, so these are the lamb seekh kebab. Under that is the paneer tikka. This is chutney for the seekh kebabs, pork cutlets, and these are the marinated roasted potatoes, and on top of them is chicken wings, and these are again seasoned zucchini and squash that we're gonna grill it outside. And I think Ashley is bringing pani puri for appetizers, so we're gonna do that, and also we're gonna grill halloumi cheese. So yeah, that's the plan for today because mom and dad are leaving in like 3 days, and the entire trip we did not get a chance to do grill. So that's why we're gonna grill today, grill tonight, and tomorrow is we're gonna do his annapration. Basically, annapration, if you guys don't know what it is basically the first time the baby starts feeding solids. So we are actually not gonna start tomorrow, but because my mom and dad are leaving, we're just gonna do a small puja ceremony kind of thing where he's not gonna taste anything, but we're just doing it before they leave, and most probably he'll start eating from next month end, May end or something, or until he starts sitting properly. So yeah, he has started holding his head pretty well, but he still cannot sit on his own, right, mister? So yeah, that's the plan for the evening. And look at his outfit. Look at his outfit. It says mom and dad's new boss. I'm gonna put him to sleep. Mayang has gone out to get tres leches for dessert and refill the gas propane tank. So that's the plan. They're gonna be here around 6:30, so yeah. Alright, everybody is here. There's Ashley and Nitish, that is dad. You guys know Mayank. Hey. And there's mom and Aiden. Hi. And Marvel. So they're here. We are done prepping everything. We're just gonna start the grill outside.
Aiden is wearing mom and dad's new balls.
Yep. And we are just gonna start the grill outside and start cooking.
Guys, we are all here. The grill is fired up. Let me show you what's inside. Look at that. Look at that. And oh, too much sun. And over here we are having some SPDPs. Save dahi batata puri. Aiden is having fun.
Aiden. Good.
Hi. Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Sorry. Smile.
Are you having fun? Hi.
You see that lovely dress?
Pork cutlets are here. They're ready.
Tonkatsu sauce.
With tonkatsu sauce and keepy mayonnaise. And rest of the thing Mayang already showed you. Did you like it?
Paper napkin.
Did you like it?
Lovely.
Okay.
So yummy. I can't tell you.
Okay. Paneer, peppers and onion are done. This is all gone. There's just one left. The kebab came out so good. Potatoes. Look at all this. All done. With that split. Look at that. Did you enjoy the kebab? Did you enjoy it?
Everything, not only kebab.
You have to get corns are done almost. Wings are getting done.
And wings are done, prawns are done. Another round of zucchini and squash are going on.
Yeah.
Now is the round for corn. So everybody's enjoying corn. So sweet. What else is in the grill? Just the zucchini, I guess.
Yep.
So it's coming out of the grill and
Only
it's just finishing up.
for that.
Yeah. Third is ready. So we did not get tres leches, so that's why molten lava cake it is. Oh maybe hold on. Ice cream, vanilla ice cream on top, and then some chocolate syrup. And he's having just what happened? What did you say?
Nothing.
Lava is not good. Lava is coming out.
Yeah, it's flowing.
See, it's flowing.
He's giving you a heart.
Yeah. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna give it to mom. Marble, leave it. Marble, leave it, baby. Here, chocolate lava cake.
Thank you. So lovely, very tasty. Hi.
चम्मच बेकार दिया है फिर ये उंगली वाला
Sir, how is it? Don't say bad. Good? Oh, cool.
Alright, it's time to say bye-bye. Everybody is going home. I'm throwing some trash.
Say bye.
bye bye
Chalo, bye-bye.
love you we work thoroughly
Hopefully. You guys don't get hungry.
No.
Depends how long you are awake.
Yeah. You should go and sleep right away.
I will not sleep. I gotta edit too. Alright, bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Thank you for the advertisement.